what's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today me and my boy Carl are taking out my headlights because we have to apparently fix an adjustment in it because one beam is lower than the other. But in the meantime, I know some of you guys have been asking me about if the my bumper's falling, if these right here need to be, I guess, resealed. And yes, they do. Look how terrible that is. That comes stock, and I want to make sure I get all of that fixed right there. I need to reseal it. So the sealant that I have, that I bought from AutoZone, you can get this from AutoZone. Here, you can pause it right there. Take a good look at it. It's black super weather strip and gasket adhesive, so it's really strong and it has a really good bond to the sealant or whatever you're sealing it to. So I highly suggest you get this, and he recommends it as well. So yeah, let's just start sealing these headlights. Alright, so while he's putting the adhesive glue on the headlight, what I did was, for those who've been asking how to exactly do it, I put some on the top here, as he just did. Put some right here on the side, all right there in that little crevice, and some underneath. Turn it over, yeah. Some under here. Put it all across under there, where there's a little gap. So that's pretty much it. Just a quick little video for those who've been asking about how to properly seal these headlights if you buy them off eBay or Amazon. It's really easy. The only hard part is just taking off all this shit right here, and then from that point on, you'll be good to just put on the adhesive glue or however you're gonna do it. But just do exactly how I did it, and you should be good to go. You should be seeing no more condensation in the headlights, no more like when it rains or snows, and you should be good. Because I think the condensation happens in the headlights because the headlights heat up, and then like once the headlights heat up and then it mixes in with that cold and the rain, that's when you get condensation. And then I'm pretty sure you don't want that, especially for these headlights, because these headlights are really nice. Like, I don't want to have to get another pair or sell them for really dirt cheap because it got water in it now, because it has been too much condensation going on with them. So that's it, guys. I see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Stay safe out here.